Hello friends, in this video I will be telling you that how to declare and initialize a string and then uh, how to print the string, how to take the string from the keyboard and all that. So before I start working with string, let me show you something about the array. So let's declare one array A having, let's say, 5 elements in it, and then let us say enter the array and then scanf percentage d, as this is integer type, comma a. Now the question is, will I be permitted to do this? The answer is yes, because by saying this, what we are doing is we are asking the scanf to move to the 0th index of that particular array. Okay, so let me run this and show you. Okay, the semicolon is missing. So it is saying that enter the array. So I entered, let's say 1, I entered. Now why only 1 I entered? Because this method is only pointing to the 0th element. So let me print this also. So for int I0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and printf, and then percentage d comma ai, and let us give space, or let's say comma and then space. So if I say 1, so I'm only permitted to transfer an element to the 0th index. Okay, so you will be able to see that 1 is coming, but rest they are coming like this, so they are garbage values. So by writing this, I am in a position to access the memory location of the 0th index of the array A. So that's why in C, this ampersand symbol is used to get the memory address of a variable. So you should know this by now. But unlike other data types, we know that string doesn't have any data type. We don't have any data type for string. So that's why we use arrays to write strings. And an array variable hold the address of its first element. Here first means the 0th one. And since array variable already point to that base address, so there is no need of writing ampersand operator to access the base address of a string. And that is the reason why when I will be showing you that I'm passing a string to some array of characters, then I will not be using ampersand. So you should remember this. So now let us come to string. So let us define a string char, and this is a. Okay, and this is a character array having 10 number of elements. So how can I do that? So I can say I can use like it's p and then a and then n k a and j, and after this, so this is a character string which can hold maximum of 10 elements, and after this what I can do, I should be using null character. Remember, this null character is telling me that this is the termination of the array ends here. So this particular array is right now holding how many? 7 characters. The last one is the null character, which will not be displayed, but that is telling us the termination. So let us print this array. Printf. Now we will be using percentage s, remember, comma and then a. And if I run it, I will be able to see this Pankaj. Apart from this, I have also shown you, told you that it is not at all necessary to write null character like this. You can also say 0. So that is also a null character. So again, you can see. So this 0 means nothing, null. So you can use 0 also in place of your null character. Okay, you are permitted to do this. Now, if I write anything after this, let's say B and then U and then M and then K and then A. So am I permitted to do this? I am permitted to do anything if I'm writing a valid syntax. But the thing is, will I be getting DUMKA after that? Let us run it. No, because my null character or 0 is here. So according to this, the compiler will take this and will stop and then print it. That's it. We'll supply it to A. That's it. Nothing else. Now this is having how many? This is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us write one space also. That is also a character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now after this I'm using null character. So let us run this. So it will be saying that it is PNKJ, okay, and then space, okay, then DUM. That's it. After this, something is coming. Got the point or not? So if I write the full version, DUM and then K and then A, like this, if I run it, now look what is happening. So once it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it will do perfect. But last, it will take 0. So these will not be having any meaning in terms of the size. So you should understand this. Now, the same thing I could have done also using string literal, like this, Pankaj. And if I run it, I'll be getting this. Now, what about if I write Dumka as well here? Same thing. The size has increased. So it is giving some absurd. So the thing is, if I am not sure that how many elements are there, so there is no need of writing the size in priority. You can simply do this. Okay. Now, if I am having a string, I am declaring a string variable a, let's say it is capable of holding 12 elements. And I want to supply the string from the keyboard, then how to do that? So, printf, please enter, no, why please? Enter string. Okay. Then scanf, then percentages, okay, first string, and then remember I needn't have to pass the address because that array already hold the address of the 0th element. So I simply say a, okay, now run it. So no, what I should do here is new line. Okay, now I run it. Let's say Pankaj. So it has returned me Pankaj. So while using scanf to supply a string to a memory location, remember that you should not be using ampersand. There is no meaning of it because that already points to the 0th element of this, because that is an array. That is the character of an array. Character here means characteristics. Okay. So in this video you have learned that how to declare and initialize an array of characters, which is nothing but string. So in this video, till this point only, thank you very much for watching it.